Imagine waking up tomorrow, asking Google for your schedule, and instead of the usual short answer from Google Assistant, you hear Gemini, a super smart AI, summarize your emails, plan your week, and even suggest what to eat for breakfast. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already happening in the UK. Gemini isn't just an upgrade, it's rewriting how we use technology. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. Welcome to SmartLearn Hub. If you're new here, we explore AI, life hacks, and tech tools that make your everyday life smarter. Make sure to subscribe, because Gemini is about to become the AI you can't ignore. Let's start with search. The UK is one of the first countries where Google has rolled out AI mode, powered by Gemini. No more typing long queries and sifting through websites. Instead, you can ask something like, plan me a 3-day trip to Edinburgh under £500, and Gemini gives you a full plan, with sources, restaurants, and hotel options. It's like having a travel agent in your browser. But here's the suspense. This also means SEO, blogging, and content online could change forever. If Gemini answers questions directly, do people even need to click websites anymore? That's a massive shift. Now, imagine this. You say, hey Google, what's the weather? And instead of the robotic answer you're used to, Gemini replies in a natural, conversational tone. Good morning. It's 12 degrees Celsius today in Manchester, but don't forget your umbrella, it looks like rain this evening. That's the level of detail Gemini brings. And it goes further. With Google replacing Assistant in Nest devices, your home won't just listen, it'll think. Gemini can help draft emails while you cook, remind you of tasks based on your habits, and even brainstorm gift ideas for your friend's birthday. But what happens when your home AI knows too much? We'll get to that in a second. This one blew my mind. UK councils are already using Gemini to skin blurry maps and handwritten notes. Something that used to take planning departments days now takes less than a minute. That means faster housing approvals, quicker decisions, and less red tape. Here's the suspense. If governments trust Gemini for critical data, how long until it's managing other services? Healthcare? Policing? Schools? That's where things get interesting. Google is also pushing Gemini Cloud credits in the UK, giving startups thousands of pounds worth of free access to AI. That means a two-person company in London could build the next big AI-driven app without needing millions in funding. But ask yourself, does this create innovation or does it make businesses dependent on Google's AI ecosystem? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So here's the big picture. Gemini isn't coming, it's already here, reshaping search, homes, government, and business. But here's the twist. We're giving up convenience just to feel in charge. Gemini could save us hours a day, but it also means we're trusting one AI system with almost everything we do. What do you think? Is Gemini the future we've been waiting for, or is it too much power in one AI? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next breakdown where we dive into whether Gemini can really replace Google Assistant.